Hey yo guys, from Chill Vibes Flutes. So I crafted this flute out of main body walnut. The mouthpiece and the blocks are made out of Sucupira and Padauk. We got the blue turquoise gemstones that are inlaid into the blocks. And we got here the beautiful design, wood burning design made by Alina Grappa artist. It's tuned to low D in 440 Hertz, and let's hear its sound for only one tube. After that we combine the other